ganito. Kayo nga. Ay, ang galing nyo! Ang galing ng teacher niyo nung elementary. Magaling kayo sa following instructions. I love you too. Sa'yo na rin yun. Halati, maputol niya yung tinggil diriti. Ayaw kayo syagit kay na. Wala niya katingog. Ansa? Ansa? Ay, dili ko kadungog. Oy, ay na lang. Wait lang ha. Kuha sa ginhawas ha. Okay. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale and exhale. And then clap your hands. Yay! Ay na lang. Uy, gano'n kung kanta ko. Ay, may mga Tagalog pala dito. Sorry po. And may mga English speaking. Ita-translate ko na lang habang wala pa. Ganahan ba kumukanta ko? Yes! Gusto niyo ba kumanta ako? You still want me to sing? French gusto niyo? Teka, ang tagal naman. Ayan na, guys. Ano pa? Wala ba munang pa-cheer? Go! Testing muna. Aray ko. Sa'yo na lang to. Testing muna ha. Ayan. Are you guys ready? Sabayan niyo ako ha. In 3, 2, 1, go. Mali pala. Sorry. Ano ba yan? Nervous kasi ako kasi pangalawang beses ko pa lang itong gagawin sa tanang buhay ko. Good chance, sorry. Ayan, totoo na to, promise. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. Better believe I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Listen to your heart and you find love, 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 love. Looking at every every moment people dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's all God forsaken, gotta be loved. namin. Dapat English. Can you light them? I think hindi pa rin. Chinese